Oh my god. Oh wow.
Our magnificent patriotism from so from the car and be run. We've been at it and we some words and a flowers grew. Ready to know now. All the birds sing words and the flowers grew.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. How can horses hear people? Please place your eyes into the center
Oh my
of the room,
god.
that is.
Look, here come the girls.
And a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a birdmobile. Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the okay. Suzette, Dominique, Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
It's a sing like sing birdy sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. It's a sing like sing birdy sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. It's a warble like nightingales. Give your note a tweet. Take your time, comes in birds, now you all know their words. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birds sing.
Let's all sing like the tweet, 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 ma, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all warble like nightingales. Ah, oui, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
So good.
Wunderbar, wunderbar.
That was magnifique. See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the birds stand still and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
Ah, såklart.
What's going on?
Karina, was ist los? Somebody has stolen my tumbler.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But me buckles, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. The birdies and the flame. You heard the flowers sing. Tiki's playing with drums. Hear them do the chant.
Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause. Up down there. Applause. Everybody stand up on your feet. Olé!
And now, as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Guys. Why that was different? Let me turn on back the light in here. That was different. Me never ready at all. You got me the cell. What? Big up on yourself, guys. I love alone, you know? Let's walk. You want to go on the boat ride? We just come off a boat ride. What you can do is go and watch my live replays. We did the boat ride. And just check out my live replay playlist. Aladdin, did you see that? Yes, that is it, Rascal. Check out the live replay playlist where you can see a bunch of stuff that we did. I did the Aladdin ride as well. Not today though, another day. About, I think about 3 weeks ago, I did the Aladdin ride. That was good. On the magic carpet. It's in the live replay as well. You can check that one out. Because when we come back here, we always try to do some other things. As it's a big party, so every time we come here, we always do a lot of different stuff. Because we can't do everything in a one day. But yeah. We are going. We are walking. Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, oh, I did. We did do the Pirates of the Caribbean. That was so much fun. Live. Check it out. It's in the live replay. Guys, we almost finished the park here now. We almost finished everything. Walk with me. Yeah, we did it. The new ride that is here is, I think it's the Tiana. Association Tiana, the Princess and the Frog. Yes, it's a new one. We wanted to do it today, but the line was so long. But anytime we're gonna do that, I have to come back earlier in the morning where there's nobody here. What's next? Okay, we are walking now. You see? This is Disney World Magic Kingdom. We're in the tree. We're literally in our tree right now. Look, going up. You see? Nice view, man. If me I move too fast, I know, so I can't slow down. Right? I know, Roscoe. I know, right? I don't want to look down. Not at all.
Oh, it's pretty cool. Keeps all the tigers out.
Jungle Lookout.
No, I don't think they'll let you go in there. It's pretty cool though. Oh my gosh, we gotta watch the movie.
Florida, yes it is.
If you haven't seen that,
Magic Kingdom, Disney World, Florida.
it's the coolest.
Correct, pink.
This must be good.
Here we are going. Nice lookout. Yes. It is cool. It is so much fun. It's different. Outside, get some fresh air. Do some different things where you know normally do. You know, nice. I know say you guys did love the boat ride. I did the Jungle Cruise boat ride. Guys, that was so much fun. So nice. Love it. I think that's probably my favorite boat ride at Disney. But I not remember if it there a Magic Kingdom or there Animal Kingdom. Okay, I live in Florida, so I've been all these places, but this summer, mostly busy time to go. Love that for you, Pink. Yeah, man, it's nice. And we are walking. I don't me like so I can get free to bring on the guys with me on this journey, because even though I know like people live in Florida too, a lot of people still not get to visit here, and sometimes even me, like if I want to go somewhere, I like to do my research and see if I like to go other place here. Like let me see if I put my mother like, you know, just to get so sometimes, you know, when I showcase things, it gives people like the confirmation, say yes, this is the right thing for me, you and your family, or you and your friends, you know, whichever. Very humid, for real. Yeah. But yep. It's a good day to be outside, guys. You have to drink water a lot of water. Food for days, the amount of food them have just all over the place. So good. Today, I tried veggie bowl also. Veggie bowl. Surprisingly, it was good. I get it with chicken. Cause one thing about me, I not left out the chicken no matter what. And then I say, you know what? Let me try it a little healthy-ish. So it was, I think, rice and black beans and one other beans, pent up beans and so. Like stir fry onions and pepper. It is nice though. It is nice. It is kind of flavorful. I'm like, okay. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. There's the castle. Up close and personal. Screenshot. Yeah. Magic Castle, you already know. At nighttime, them have fireworks every night. And sometime Tinkerbell like slide down from the castle to the other side. And that did nice. Me did see that. Me see that one time. I do have the live replay on my page again. Guys, me have a whole play of live replays playlist, and you can watch the replay in case you miss it. Or well, literally, I think it's same comedy. I want something cool right now to feel cool me down. True. Enjoy the tour. Showing our room. They're going on a teacup ride. No, that wasn't a live, the teacup ride. That was a vlog. I say my toned it down. I love that thing. Oh my gosh, love Universal. The last Universal, and you know, some I got a Universal in Orlando, I know, but the one when I go was in California, Los Angeles. God Almighty, I love that so much. I do. I have on the nights. My whole tolerance level, like one time, your roller coaster, you couldn't catch me on it. Like me I go on a kiddie ride them. Kiddie ride. How make me find myself I do more ride with a lot more, you know, intensity, a little bit more speed, a little bit more drop, stop on the road. I say, okay, that's not bad. Yes. So I guess the more you do it, you know, you gradually just take on a little bit more challenges. So that's what a rush. It's Face Mountain fast, man. Very fast. All right, guys, as you don't know, Halloween is coming up. So in all the stores, them right now, you have all of the Halloween merchandise, from props to souvenirs, clothes, you know, all of that, hats, bags, just everything. Oh my gosh, Pink, you gotta try the Universal there. It is just everything. Hey guys, screenshot. It is just everything. You understand? Any Mickey fan here? Mickey. Souvenir for everybody. Oh, elephant lovers. All of that. So Tate me say me outdoor walking. I check. I've been to the one in Paris and South Korea. Oh my gosh, that's supposed to be fun. Yeah, I still haven't been to the one here in Florida, the Universal. So, and after trying the one in Cali, I think I don't know if I want to go to the one here because I don't want to end up disappointed. You know when the expectation kind of set up a certain way, and then after you're disappointed. Yeah, me not like that. So you come like you rather stick to where you know. Oh my God, look at those, too cute. As a chef, as a chef, the transformer ride is. Did I do the transformer ride? Did I do? I think I did. I think I did the transformer ride, and I did get to take the picture with Bumblebee, and what the other one name? I don't remember what the. Oh my gosh, that Harry Potter ride is insane. That Harry Potter ride is insane, guys. I'm with them. Let me see. That's the one. The Harry Potter ride is nice, but I think we did 3 different Harry Potter rides. Those were good. Sweet tooth though. Yeah. Candy, 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 candy. All right, back outside again. The train, yes. I'm glad. I am so glad you guys are enjoying the walk, the tour. I am happy about it, guys. Look here, so splash and soak. Come here, so you put on your swimwear. And you just didn't make the water beat you. Can you imagine? And Naveen, this one is Disney World, Florida. We're at Magic Kingdom to be exact. Stand by 10 minutes. I've done that one too. It's nice. Let's see what I'm off. Train depart. Oh, going on a train? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 7 minutes. Let's go. Guys, don't know me. I'm bringing it everywhere today. Though. Everywhere. Let's wait and see what happens. Here we go. Sweet treat. Oh, it is so fun. Naval is so fun. The line make me tired just to ride for 3 minutes. I agree, Pink. Sometimes it can get tiring. I do agree. I do agree 100%. But we'll wait for the train to come back now. Yes, I'm bringing you guys on the train. Better get the shortcut. Look, we're not gonna do that. Sometimes I do take the single rider passes, life hack. take the single rider line. I mean, I don't have the fast. I don't have it. I cannot afford it. I don't have it. Okay, let me. So we are at Disney World Magic Kingdom. I need to start the poll because when I do the poll, you guys know where I'm at.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Disney World Radio is now arriving at Fantasyland Station. All passengers, please stand by to board. Monkeys, clowns, and acrobats, please report to the top supervisor.
Oh, thank you.
All right, it sounds like the train I reach.
And I got new glasses too. Still missing.
Here we go. Woo! Okay. You understand thing? Everything you already know. Okay guys, so I did start a poll. Feel free to answer. Would you visit here, Disney World Magic Kingdom? And even if you have already, you know, just answer if you would revisit. Simple. Rascal, I have to be careful, you know, I have to look out for them. It's a train ride. Look at everybody waving. Aww.
It stops at Main Street Station and Frontierland. Everybody board carefully. All aboard, please.
All aboard. Are we going on? Yes, I think we are. You answered. Thank you. Pink, thank you so much. I really appreciate your participation. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we're going on the train right now. I've never been on a train before, so this is awesome. Walt Disney World Railroad. That was fast. I know, right? It did say 7 minutes, but I guess.
What time? I still have school.
Farther back. Ay. Okay. We are here. Thank you, Neil. Thank you. Rascal, you know, Rat. Thank you for always looking out. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we're here. We're not on a seatbelt or nothing, so you know we have to go hang on. They have this riding career called eWorld. So many fun rides and food if you guys ever go. Oh, I gotta go. Cotton candy? Thank you. Sugar rush. Look at Pink doing moderator duties. Pink, thank you. No, sir. Awesome. Guys, we're on the train for start at half an hour in a car. You know it go. Okay. Is that a yes? All right, guys, we're moving.
Looks like we're on our way.
Make we see if
And
nobody
I'm
go
so
wave.
glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the
Nobody
train
now
at
wave
all
to it.
times.
It bad.
Oh, and
Me
please keep
shame.
an eye on your children. Para
Nobody.
su seguridad,
Oh,
permanezca
she's
sentado y mantenga las manos,
waving.
brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical
Sugar
marvels,
Rush.
Tomorrowland.
All right, guys, let's go. Think that's what I'm and they just enjoy themselves, no problem.
Welcome aboard, folks. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets and the technology.
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron light cycle run for upload. Once digitized, you may board your light cycle and join the game. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together.
Off we go. Yes, yes, sir. Oh my God, guys, the cool breeze nice. Cool breeze sweet.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Then we have my wave. Then I wave me not now we have shame.
As we come into the station, folks, please remain fully seated until we come to a complete stop and you hear the words of all clear. That will be your indication that it's safe to stand and go onto the platform. Once again, please remain fully seated at this time.
Wow.
Remain seated. Remain seated. Remain seated, please. Remain seated. And we're all clear.
Okay. No. Guys, we still go continue up on a train. I will a different place to stop. We already commerce already. Thank you for answering the poll, folks. If you would visit here. Big up on yourself. 37 Smaddy. Let's see what I say. Jesus. That's not good still. 73% say yes. 26% say no. Oh, Jaja. Not too bad. It is so true, Pink. It's so true. You have to, and you know, you cannot do things where you enjoy doing all the time. You have to try some new things. You understand? See some different places, experience like some different food. Not because that's your favorite food. You have to try like a different vibe. Yeah, big up yourself, Rascal. Yeah, the music cool. And it is so good to like experience different cultures and appreciate it because you know everybody is different. Even though it is different, it is still so similar, and that is what I love. Like in every culture, there is something that keeps us connected as
Welcome
a people.
aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland.
All right,
Sit
we're
tight
off
and keep your
again.
hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street. Never goodbye. Estamos a sus pies. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible.
We're in the bushes, guys.
See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
I don't put on my bag none at all. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the thumbs up on the like, guys. Appreciate it, man.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. We've reached. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up. 'Cause this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big party. She made me promise to tell you folks, you're invited. Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you miss a part, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. Watch us now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we come into the station, folks, please remain fully seated until we come to a complete stop and you hear the words of all clear. Once again, please remain fully seated at this time. All clear. Welcome to Frontierland Station. Please watch your step.
Guys, you know what is my favorite ride here right now? The Tron. I don't know if me don't know if you or Roscoe tried the Tron already, but oh my god, I love that ride so much. The line is always so long, so we have to join the virtual queue, which we're in right now. Cooking wagwan. I went to India. I couldn't believe a lot of things they do. Right? That's what I'm saying. Pink. Like it is so different, but at the same time so similar. Not right now. We're at Disney World right now. Magic Kingdom. Yes. I think that's how everything starts. How everything started back in the day, you know, everybody, when that whole thing was going on, everybody bring some of them favorite food, and as so come certain things passed down, even certain cooking styles, certain spices that are used, a lot of cooking techniques, you know. Dolores, big up. And it's fine, it's good. Thank you. But yeah, everything is just so different and at the same time so similar. So it's good. I love curry chicken, you know. When it comes to curry, I know say I have some Indian along in my bloodline, like original. I love curry bad. Give me curry every day. Curry chicken, curry goat, curry patty, just curry anything. Yeah, that's me. And thank you guys for still answering in the poll votes. Appreciate it. 61 votes. Hey, we don't do that. We don't angle that. And thank you for thumbsing up the live as well. Massive big up. Now I'm working in South Carolina till September. Oh, I know you. We've been to South Carolina. It was like about 3 weeks ago. So good. So, love it. Love it, love it, love it. The weather, Jesus. Everything. Went to Myrtle Beach on the boardwalk with the fishes. I did the sky wheel. What else did we do? The Ripley's Museum, zip lining, and the Wonderworks. It was nice. We had a great time. Definitely going back. Definitely going back. I did a vlog too. I posted a vlog. That's on the page. If you guys haven't checked it out as yet and you want to see that, you can check it out. South Carolina vlog. It was fun. Okay guys, I'm gonna load up especially the food. Yes. Yes. I did try their KFC there because one thing about me, I have a KFC problem where I love KFC so much, even though of course Jamaican KFC, the barbecue, my favorite, like 10, 10, 10 right across the board. But for some reason, all of the different places, and yeah, it did alright. Love trying the food, veg only. Vegan. Oh, you're vegan? Okay. Okay. That is cool. We have a night. Rasco no bother with it. Limit. Rasco no bother with it now. No bother with the excitement. Sure. Today I had, and this was different from me, I had the veggie bowl, but I did put, I didn't put shredded chicken on it because I'm a chicken person. I don't know, no matter how I try eat healthy, just give me a piece of chicken on the side. I mean, that, I have a chicken problem. It is true. I just the truth.
Please find a seat and stay there.
Please find a seat and stay there. Lord. Loading up. Loading up. Guys, all of my live replays is posted on my page. So everywhere that we've been is posted. You can check it out. If you're interested in visiting these places, you can see some of the things you can do there, or do your own research. That's fine, depending on what you're into. And yeah. Check it out. Transport like this was in my dream last night. That's how I got it. The lorries, pick up yourself. Okay, guys, and we're off.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland. Before carrying on to Main Street,
Let's go.
And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Thank you for watching.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this road. But for those times, I'm fixing for something a bit wilder.
That was so
Big
cool.
Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Oh, you are awesome. Yeah, we were in Myrtle Beach like 3
The
weeks
change
ago.
in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place.
Oh my God, guys, look at that, look at it. Wow. Favorite right here, the Tron.
Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake!
Oh, Peter, that's not a snake. It's a
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put!
Okay. I need to come home soon.
Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger thread.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down down the track and heading straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland. Now,
okay, vegetarian. Oh, well, okay, I understand.
Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the
vegetarian slash vegan selective.
That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we come into the station, folks, please remain fully seated until we come to a complete stop and you hear the words of all clear. That will be your indication that it is safe to stand and go onto the platform. Once again, remain fully seated at this time. Remain seated, please. All clear. Welcome to Fantasyland. This is also your gateway to Tomorrowland. Watch your step as you come off.
Ooh. That way? Okay. Exit. Jesus Christ, no new friends. No bother with it. No bother with it, please. Whoa, I want to run out of this. I want to run out. Me check, they never have any. They never have any. Why the little train ride did nice. Me not tell no lie, me enjoy. It's a nice little cool out. Jamaicans everywhere, delirious. Pink say, guys, if you ever come to Myrtle Beach, try this all. Captain George, the food, unlimited granola. Pink. Thank you so much for that because we definitely have planned to go back there. We did like over there. So, Captain George. Got it. Let me screenshot this so I have it. Screenshot. Like that you're not gonna def me. Tron. We haven't been that far. We just sit there, go on Myrtle Beach and the boardwalk, and we did see a magic show too. Want a selfie? That with the rascal limit. But yeah, guys, this is my favorite ride here. Look, 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 look! Cheers! That is the Tron, guys. If you never do that, yo, it is so worth the wait every single time. Every single time. I love it. I want some brown stew fish. All right, you see now, new friend, you know, you have to go get it together. We're not on a brown stew fish. Look there! Cheers! Woo! Wow! Space Mountain. Space Mountain is your favorite. You know, so when you come in here, you talk about Space Mountain. I that with you. This nice, yeah, it is nice. I eat to fun. We know one virtual queue. I think they have 126. Yeah, they need to bomb my own, but anyway, it's fine. So in the meantime, we are walking around and keep busy until the time get closer. We go in at the line. There's some would I want to bring on live, but me bring on up on that the right there. When the phone don't fling off over one part, see? When the phone don't fling off over one part, believe me, you could find me back and I could find me back again. That would be it. Peter Pan, the ride. I haven't done the Peter Pan ride. Tomorrowland, that is cool. The drone and it show you the history from then to now. That's good. All right, make me see you now. Electric bites, guys. Talk to me. End of the line. Watermelon, cucumber, pineapple cup. Top with sweet chili and something. Watermelon slushy. Citrus ginger popping candies. Blue coconut slushy. Featuring flavors of coconut, lemon, and lime. Cucumber lime soda. We not drinks line, man. I'm not thirsty. No, like back to back. I'm not thirsty. I'm alright. I'm alright. Can we can go and walk, you know? Just say the word. Say the word, man. Someone in NYC told me. Oh my God, Dolores, I am so sorry. I am so sorry you have to go through that. Like, just reading that cut me deep. Just reading that, me feel your pain from my toes go straight up to my ear strand. I swear. Gosh, know yourself, man. Them are gonna get what they deserve in a life. I hope I can get back one, because I know so that was very sentimental to you. Very personal, you understand? Let's go to Lego Island. We want to do the... Hold on, let me see. Coconut. You're welcome. All right. Guys, we are going to the sun. We have a drinks. And just chill out over your truck. You want to stay there? No, they don't have no doll whip. What's in there? Them let me look and see. Let me look and see. Them have flavors of coconut, lemon, and lime. I don't know, liquor, nothing. Big up yourself in a friends, welcome in. I just thought it's a refresher, okay? No new friends, there's no Guinness here, there's no stout. Yeah, we're not gonna take too long to make up mind now, man. Tron ride. I don't know how far I'm in Island. I have to go in to check. Okay, guys. Jesus Christ. Murder. Yes. That's the one, man. Ride of my life. Oh my De pana me don't hang on, you see.
Claro, nada va a superar, nada nunca en la vida va a superar el bajón de la dependencia. Cuando no sabéis.
Cuando no sabéis. Wow. Woo. That's a ride. Got to throw, right? Definitely got to throw your hands up in the air from the start. 100%. Jeez. That's the ride we're going on, guys. That is it. That's the one. With the cross? Okay. No, them a move very fast, man. Well, you see how fast it a come around? No, man, I'm ready for this. Guys, I think I have to go in and restart because I'm there for a while. So, I have to check how far I'm there in the line. So, whenever, remember to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Turn on the post notification bell so you get notified. Jesus Christ, I don't know about that one, yeah. You understand? Big up for the sale. Love. Alright? Let's all circle back. Alright. Don't worry. Make sure the notification bell on, you know. And remember, you can check out all my live replays on my channel, on my main channel. Just go to my page. Put them on. Just go to my page and you see all of the live replay, all the Sunday live replay. What's your favorite one? Leave a comment so I can see now. Like, comment, share. I hear? Big up on the side. Definitely, let's get in line. Rascal, turn on the bell. Come and look forward for soon back.